Do you wish you could enter down on Instagram captions without having to put a dot or a line, or without having to follow stupid rules like no emojis in it or this or that? Well good, stick around because I'm showing you how to do that in like 1 second. What's up you guys? Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Adrienne Finch, and this is a new show where I give you a tip about tech every single Tuesday, except for last Tuesday, because get this, it's one thing to like start something and kind of not follow through or not finish. No, for me last week, I legitimately forgot that I started this series. Like, what is wrong with me? I'm sorry about that. It won't happen again. Today we're gonna talk about how to get your Instagram captions to have breaks in the text. No questions asked. It is foolproof. I'm so tired of like people telling me how to do it and then it just doesn't work. But you can't put emojis here after the left third period from the bottom. Like, no, there are too many rules. I finally found an absolutely foolproof way that every single time you can have your Instagram captions have spaces without putting a dash or a dot or anything weird. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now. So it's basically this website. I don't remember how I found it. I think I was watching someone else's video and found it. I have it saved right here, but this is the site, appsforlifehost.com/Instagram/captionmaker.html. I will put the link down below. Basically, this dude like figured this out and made this website and just like lets people use it. It's incredible. So essentially, all you do is you literally, as it says, you just like type your caption. So, hey girl, what's up with you? Oh my god, line break? No way. I don't have to use dashes? No. Yay. Emoji, emoji. That's all you do. You click convert and copy to clipboard. It automatically copies, done. So then you go on over to your phone, you go to new post. I'm doing some work for a company, that's why there are pictures of random other women on my phone. Say I'm gonna post this photo, go next, next. Let's say I just paste directly from my computer. Okay, I'm actually gonna post it for a second so I can show you that it works. Then I'm gonna delete the post. Here we go, posting, 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 posting. Voila, there we have it. And now I'm gonna delete that, but there you have it. Okay, delete. So yeah, you guys, that is literally all you have to do is just go to that website. I haven't tested doing it on my phone, like using the website from Safari on my phone, but I'm sure you can do that too. I highly recommend saving this as a bookmark on Chrome or Safari, whatever you use. Anyone uses Firefox, Internet Explorer. Okay, that way it's just like handy. I have mine under my YouTube tab, so IG captions. And that's really all there is to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Tech Tip Tuesday. Let me know down below if you've used this or if you've heard of this before. And I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.